Take it up, cooking up, boy.
Hey, you know DADA do this shit like me, nigga. When I do this shit, hey. Can go get rich, that's what my wrist showed me. He retired with that mask, think he Mick Foley. And we don't give a fuck about your big homie. You're walking anywhere long me and Brody got that bitch on us. Hey, ripping out the plastic, yeah, that brick was brand new. Boy ain't put that reader down, he been selling grams too. Work been coming UPS, Bo's been coming FedEx. Free bitch up out the birds, man, bitch shit from the jets. Been through hell and back, that's my gutter, bitch ain't got a preach tour. Interstate was full of speed traps, I had to detour. Trap full of rocks and sand, this bitch a seashore. Hit it with a 1-2 step until my feet sore. Sick my fit aroma is Kane, not no Dior. Go outside and push start something, fuck a key for it. Want some paper, come eat with us, we live a good life. Wood got rappers scared to link up, my nigga Suge Knight. Say we into too much shit, got niggas scared of us. We don't get invited to shit, my niggas head busters. Out holding on my gun, shit can get iffy. A-Rap got bows by the ton, say he want 1050. Little nigga straight out the slum, yeah that shit in me. Never gotta go to the car, you know that bitch with me. I can't never chance this shit, you know this shit tricky. All you want is zip it at, well give me 650. Never had the answer to no nigga, I'm my only boss. If you see me riding, bet I'm grinding like I'm Tony Hawk. Bitch, she hate I'm fucking with that drink, hate I'm getting high. Stick my nigga ran all out of wok, got me sipping pie. Call me what you want, but you can't call a nigga broke. If I ain't calling to the plug, I might just call a nigga hoe. Hey, heard your hoe was tryna fuck, yeah that bitch was ran through. Got the bag for a touch, yeah that bitch was ran through. Oh, you thought your clique was tough, so they all got ran through. Heard some old niggas say my name, but they fans too. Hey, you niggas lightweight. Bro drop that Viz out on the floor, shit look like Ice Age. We got perks all in the cab, they look like Rite Aid. We got perks all in the cab, they look like Rite Aid. Perks all in the cab, they look like Rite Aid. DADA. I-L-E-N-T to the motherfucking world, blow, nigga.
You hear me?
Compton shit, hot clock shit, nigga, to the motherfucking world, blow, nigga. Hey.
Yeah, fuck all like this. Yeah.